Chapter 1 Evolution of Computers. Children, in this lesson you will learn how computers evolved from abacus, which was the first mechanical device used for calculations, and why Charles Babbage is known as the father of the modern day computers. History of computers. First is abacus. Abacus was the first mechanical device used for calculations. It was developed in China. It was made up of a wooden frame. The frame was divided into two parts, heaven and earth. Each rod in heaven had 2 beads and each rod in earth had 5 beads. It was used for addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. In 1642, Blaise Pascal invented the Pascal adding machine. Name was Pascaline machine. Blaise Pascal, a French mathematician, invented the first mechanical calculator in the year 1642. It used gears, wheels and dials. Numbers were displayed by rotating the wheels. It was capable of performing addition and subtraction. The gear principle was further employed in many mechanical calculators. A taximeter is a perfect example of a mechanical calculator. As we know about the Charles Babbage, who is the father of computers, in 1822, Charles Babbage, a British mathematician, is considered as the father of computing. He invented a working model of mechanical computer called the difference engine in 1822 and the analytical engine in 1833. In 1822, difference engine invented by Charles Babbage. Difference engine was more than a simple calculator. It mechanized not just a single calculation but a whole series of calculations to solve a complex problem. It was like a modern computer, that is, it offered storage where data could be held temporarily for later processing. After the difference engine, he invented the one more invention, analytical engine. The analytical engine had 5 units: input, output, store, mill and control. Store was used for storing the data and mill was for the calculating device. Control unit was used for supervising all the units. Next is Howard Aiken. In 1984, Howard Aiken was an engineer in IBM company. IBM stands for International Business Machine, who developed the first automatic sequence control calculator. The name was Mark I. It was capable of executing long computations automatically. After Howard, in 1946, ENIAC was invented by J. Presper Eckert and John Mauchly. The full form of ENIAC was Electronic Numeric Integrated and Calculator. ENIAC was the first machine to use large number of vacuum tubes. The machine needed a big space and consumed lots of energy to function and keep cool. It also had a punched card for input and output. The instructions had to be fed into the machine by using switches because there was no internal memory in the machine. ENIAC was 1000 times faster than Mark I. Students, you must know about, this is a fact, that Miss Lady Augusta Ada was the first lady programmer who suggested binary data. Now this is quiz time. Now I am going to ask you some questions, that how much have you learned from this chapter. Question 1. Which is the first mechanical device? Who invented the Pascaline machine? Who was the first lady programmer of binary data? Who is known as father of the modern day computers? What is the full form of IBM? Students, give all these answers to yourself. Okay? Thank you.